my baby hairs is uneven. I wish they had like a way for you to make sure your baby hairs are even. Like one of these is up here and the other one down here. Would you have noticed if I hadn't said that though? Yeah, you probably would have noticed because I'm noticing it. Ugh, that's so aggravating.
Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. I've been thinking about you.
This wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is the 13x4 lace, 180% density Auburn loose wave wig, and I do have it in 24 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site because that's just like the information they sent me. So when I click The name of the wig is Nadula Big Voluminous Curl Hair Wig, Auburn Loose Wave Wig, 13x4 lace front wig, 180% density. So I'm guessing maybe this unit only comes in 180% because I don't see any options for anything else. Okay, so it says product name is all of that I just said, child. Okay, I'm gonna say all that one more again. Okay, the lengths that are available, they have on here 14 to 18, but they sent me 24. So I'm gonna, yeah, it's actually 14 to 26 that they have available. So just keep that in mind, even though under product details they have 14 to 16. So it says the cap size is average, and that is the only cap size they have available. You cannot get it in another cap size as far as I can see. The cap type is Swiss brown lace. It is a 13x4 lace. Density is 180. 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding. Natural root to tip hair only, can be ironed and bleached and all that good stuff. In my opinion, this root is not natural. Maybe it's natural for somebody, honey, but when I always think about natural colors, I always think about, you know, like the natural brown units. Like usually with these sort of wigs, if they come in a color like this, they have been colored. But honey, I could be wrong. Okay, so yeah, in my opinion, this wig has definitely been dyed, but you know, the product details can differ a little bit. So child, whatever, that's what they had on now. I'm just reading off my cue card here. Now it says that this wig is a loose wave wig, and it did come very, very curly. I did decide to brush it out, as you guys can see, and that was just to have that more fluffy look. That was the look that I was going for. But honey, do what you want to, it's your wig. But I just want you guys to keep in mind that the actual texture of this wig is loose wave. So once you wash it, then it should convert to a loose wave. You know what I mean? Like a regular loose wave wig. But it does look like a loose wave that they may have curled, because it definitely came with plenty of curls. As far as the lace is brown, but yeah, I'm finna say, but it don't look brown, but it look brown. So with brown lace, with me, sometimes I struggle with that, because even though I'm brown skinned, sometimes a brown lace can be a little too dark on me. So I would suggest, if you're my shade or lighter, that maybe you shouldn't, you know, brown lace. It just depends on you. Now sometimes brown lace I don't mind. For the most part, I don't mind, because honey, I feel like people already know it's a wig. But if you're just like really anal and that sort of thing really bothers you, and you're looking for a more transparent lace, and you're my shade or a little lighter, just be aware that brown lace is more than likely going to show up, okay? Like, it's gonna be super freaking clockable, okay? Like, so I just kind of like to throw it out there and let people know. If you're darker than me, then you should be 100% straight, and it should blend in perfectly. So just throwing it out there, honey. You can catch it if you want to. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I didn't notice any shedding or tangling straight out of the packaging, but honey, she just came at bed. Okay, so I don't know. I didn't notice any. That's not to say at some point that it won't, but straight out of the packaging, it did none of the things. But that's from me cutting the hair, okay? I did layer the unit, so. But I didn't notice any other things straight out of the packaging, so yeah, that's that. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps to make it work, and whenever I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be big head friendly than not. I have an average cap size, so you can do with that what you want to, because I only got one head, child, okay? You can do with that what you want to do with it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Yeah, I think my baby hairs is uneven. I wish they had like a way for you to make sure your baby hairs are even. Like, one of these is up here and the other one down here. Would you have noticed if I hadn't said that though? Yeah, you probably would have noticed, because I'm noticing it. Ugh, that's so aggravating. Okay, y'all, so I am honestly really feeling this wig. I feel like the colors really came together really nicely, and I feel like they look like a mixture of different colors before I like got it out and like kind of combed it. It's like they mixed together. Like, you know how when you just pouring a bunch of stuff in a pot and they be separated, then when you mix together it makes something else? That's how I feel about this unit. Like, as soon as I started like combing through it and brushing it, it's like the colors just came together so freaking nicely. Like, I like the colors, you know, straight out of the packaging anyway, but it just looks like it just really came together way better once I started, you know, like combing and brushing through it. So yeah, I am definitely really feeling this unit. I am feeling the colors. The only downside for me would be the brown lace, but you know, that is like, it's not really a downside because it just depends on your complexion and whether or not the lace is gonna, you know, fit you. But the unit in itself, I feel like is perfection, honey. Okay, even if you want to get old girl and get a different frontal, I mean, like, I feel like it's worth it. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about the color, and yeah, I'm feeling it. Like, let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it like I'm feeling it? It did come pre-tweezed, and you know your girl is lazy, and I be looking for anything that I gotta do, because you guys know tweezing ain't my forte anyway. So yeah, I love when a unit comes pre-tweezed. That is always a blessing to me. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 as well as a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you think it's a look? Are you feeling it as much as I am? I am interested in hearing you guys' opinion down below in the comments. And yeah, once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.